everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today it is dark because you cannot see right now, but we are actually hanging my stuff up so I can give you guys a really quick tour of what it looks like.
No.
Cool. So far, that's what we got. Those things are up. So today you guys are probably wondering, well, why are you back? Again, we're going to be making slime. But it's not just regular slime or clear slime. It's going to turn to be jiggly slime. And it's going to be fluffy. So, you're going to need exact ingredients that all my videos have, which is glue, baking soda, and renewed contact solution. But the only ingredient you're adding is obviously shaving cream or shaving foam. Whichever one works best for you. So, let me just get my container. To this, and so if you use a gel shaving cream, gel shaving foam thing, it's gonna become really sticky and really nice and soft. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's like really soft and it's pretty pokey.
There's only so much oatmeal you can eat.
Okay. And for the other slime is this one, it's going to become kind of hard, so you guys have to keep an eye on it. And it's going to be really jiggly though. And soft, but it's not going to be stretchy. At first it might be stretchy, but it's not all that stretchy. Like, it's such a fast, it's broken. And then it's like really jiggly. Like,
Are you going to put this beer from here? And these dirty ass nuts from the last time?
okay, so I am going to be, sorry about that. My cousin is over and she likes to make chaos and be a diva. Oh, let's go. So, let's get started. So, you're going to need your container. You're mixing it into baking soda. You're going to do a contact solution. I found this in my room. I'm going to finish a small bottle. Then make your big bottle. Sorry if you guys can't see me very well. I'm trying to, but like,
Did you put the clothes in
I
the
found
dryer?
a better spot. So, and your glue. Any glue.
Did you put the clothes?
Elmer's glue, I would prefer, but everybody has their own ideas. So guys, that's my little kitty. He doesn't like being picked up. And my cousin loves picking him up. I'm not going to put so much. I just want to make... Okay. That's as much as I'm putting. Oh, I got on my nails. Okay, next. Baking soda. Actually, I would prefer to do your shaving foam first. It doesn't matter which one goes first, but I'm going to do my shaving foam. So you guys could put 1/4 of glue and shaving foam. If you want to be exact, it will be like the exact same amount. But actually, it will make a bigger shaving foam, so add as much as you want. I would start with a little bit, and then just add more. Like that's pretty good. Like, and just kind of get it down and mix it up. It's not going to turn very pink if you're using pink. Like, you'll have to add food coloring. But if you add colored glues, then it will turn some pink. But like here and there, it'll be darker, and like some will be white, and it will be like a really light pink overall, though. That's why we try to get it more. And it looks like it's forming right away, right? But it's actually not. It's just it's just like getting around. Sorry, that's my cousin. She's just a little mad right now. I have no idea. Well, actually, I just pranked her, so that could be why, because she doesn't really like pranks. And I just pranked her really bad. Not really bad, but I sat her shirt today. I put a whoopee, I don't know. I think it's called whoopee cushion. I forgot what it's called. Under her, we sat down. I put strawberries. I put like in her pillowcase. I also put jam in her pillowcase. I put toothpaste in her, soap, shampoo. So I kind of just put it all out today. And on her phone, I texted her by saying that I'm gonna prank her by saying, texted me saying, but it's just her cousin, and she got really mad at me for that. So yeah, that's my mom over there. My cousin is in the kitchen, I think. Okay, so I just like moving it like this. I take it and rotate up just so it gets around and looks really smooth, and then I'll mix it. Once it looks pretty smooth to you, then you can go to the next step. I'm adding my baking soda now. That I like to have it like kind of smoothed out. Let's get out a little bit though. I added a little bit more. Again, add as much as you want. But I always say get another bowl, so I'm gonna try to find another bowl that I can use. BRB, what's the bling? Okay, I'm back. So I got that container. That way I can, you see. That's worse.
Go get the clothes in the dryer.
Okay, so I got my baking soda.
Put Mariana's clothes up too, because I know you left them down there.
Okay, mix it in. So I should have done it first, but I did it. So there's not a whole lot of contact solution. If you guys kind of see that. That's why I'm kind of using this all up. Pour it all in, get it in here. So I kind of just layer the top. Okay, so I layer the top. Then I take the knife and or whatever you can mix it here. And I make some room at the bottom. And layer some at the bottom. Then move to another corner. So you can already see it forming kind of. Move to the next corner. Then I'm going to go to the next corner. Okay. Now I just gotta mix it.
Yeah, move on there. Get up on there. You want to bring up your clothes.
And so, okay, so I'm actually mixing it now. You can't see, but like you guys see it's coming together though, right? It's like it won't get off of here. It's like your hands do get dirty at this point. I take it off the knife, and then you can begin mixing again. Because you kind of want to get it everywhere and forming. So at this point, once you get it like that, take your other container.
Yellow for me, Sherry, right?
Hold on.
Yeah.
What's her last?
I'm sorry, guys. This is my cousin talking, and she's just trying to get revenge on me because right now she's trying to get paid back, but she'll probably pet me back soon. I have no idea. Okay, so again, I'm gonna take this out. Whoa. I can go into here. My hands are getting dirty again. Okay, that's gonna be set to the side. Take what is in here and kind of form it. So, fixing it pretty much is what you need. It depends on how much baking soda you put. So, I mean shaving foam or cream. So just add some in there, baking soda. Take all this around, mix it around. Add some contact solution. Mix it. Like get a piece at least, like a piece like this size, and kind of just work with it. And by work with it, I don't mean like, oh, you gotta get to work. Really take it to work or anything. By work with it, I mean like knead it, play with it, get it going good. It doesn't need to be good, like it's not stretchy, see? It needs to be formed. It could be pokeable, like. I like this one to be good, I'm good. So once you have a pretty good, decent piece this size, so, or bigger, now you can take this one again, drop it in there. Where'd my knife go? Oh. You can mix it in. So, this kind of helps the slime. And all I do is I go from one corner to poke it. One corner, poke. One corner, poke. Here's my feeling. If the slime is worse both.
What do you want?
Come here.
What?
Come here.
I don't know if I want to come over there.
Hey, little boy, come here.
I'm doing YouTube, guys.
Not to you, Ariana.
Huh?
Not to you.
I said I'm doing YouTube.
I'm not talking to you.
Okay, see, my cousin's really mad at me right now.
Go where she go.
here, Kevin.
There goes the little boy.
Just give me a moment. Let me go talk to her. Gabby, I said, come here! Well, she got pretty mad. Ugh. Now just poke it around, poke it around, poke it around. Look at it. Okay, I think it's time to play with it, right? Feel it around. If it's not good, not good. If it's good, just gonna layer it again. Layer it. So I would say find a lid. Any lid works at this point. Okay. But it's dirty. Okay. At this point, find a lid and just shake it up. I have 2 different lids. Sorry, guys. I have so many containers. I have like 8 containers like this now. Because some of them got dirty, messed up. It's not doing anything, but it's just like trying to get it around the top. So one that way. Oh, yes. Okay, yes. Yes, woo! That worked. It didn't work very well. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go to the other side. Layer it. I don't like, I'm just gonna layer this. Not too much this time again. Go layer it. This is it's working pretty good. Okay.
It's been raining. And it's on.
Okay, good. After you shake it up a bit, oh, feel it. It should be watery. Just clean your hands off. Try to clean your hands off. I know it's really watery, but I just like just layer the top a few times. Like I only did twice, but just layer the top and start taking it and poking it, and then play with it, and it actually will turn to like that's pretty clean from when it was before. Like I can actually touch it, and now I'm just using it to clean my hands. Like look at my hands now. That's way cleaner from when it was before. There's this half, clear how it was before, right? Like, and it's big, right? It's pretty big. Now let's test how jiggly it is. Well, stretchy. Okay, that's not very stretchy. That's okay. Jiggly. Ooh, that's pretty jiggly. And pokey. No, probably not pokey. No, not pokey. So, I'm going to show you now for this next video. That's getting a part 2, kind of. How to fix it. You have to mix over time. So the ingredients that you're going to use over and over again. So this one does not look very formed. It's just like pieces and pieces. So I'm actually just going to take a cotton solution and layer it. Again, I'm going to go around the sides. Get around there, okay? Clean it. Oh, look. It's going to be really watery, but that's okay. You want to get that thing around. It's like a virus. You got to get it clean. You got to clean it. Look. Get that clean, girl. Look how clean it is. It's getting clean. The bottom's clean. Now, if you can't get the top, take this. Oh, put it down. Oh, I hate touching water. It feels so weird. Oh. And some is not formed, right? So I'm just going to add it into this slime. It's just going to go to here. I'm just now going to clean up my mess. Just going to rub it into here. I'm just going to use the rest of the contact solution. Once again, it did get to the top as I wanted it to. Not somewhere. I'm kind of cleaning it. Like, I'm gonna add a little bit of this. I'm just gonna mix it in with this one. Like, I'm hoping it works. It's not gonna be perfect. You'll probably just get the bottom, but like, is that baking soda added in there? I mean, the sugar cream. The whole bottom's dirty, so like. Whew. If you guys hear music in the background, you guys listen to Cardi B's new song, but like, Cardi B's. I love Cardi B. Okay, she's like one of my most favorite. Like I love her. Her voice and everything how she sings. It's like. She's like so good. Her with the Sabrina Mars sound, she fits perfectly in that sound. Her Black Hill, her voice was sick. That's everything I love. Like she's so, like she just makes it work. Like, come on. So I'm not sure, but I'll decide. Maybe that might be info. Make sure to watch Cardi B's new Buenos Dias. It'll be like posted right about here. So make sure to like this video and to watch her video. You guys should watch Motorsport. So that might show up there, right here. Post Malone, Bad and Bougie. Look it up. What's up, Bougie man? Yeah. I'm just gonna make a Play-Doh now. So how you make a Play-Doh? We take 1 scoop of baking soda. You can pour it in there. Like if you guys aren't wondering, like I actually did pour it in there. It is so dry. It's actually really dry. And what it does is it dries it up. And when I do that, I make it a Play-Doh slime. So it's really cool, right? Okay, I'm just gonna move you guys up here. I'm on the stairs. If you guys have not noticed this yet. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's not working. I hate that. That is not working. That's a scoop number 2. Scoop number 3. Number 3. I think 3 scoops. Oh my gosh. And then this is what I do. It's like it doesn't work. That's okay. I'm just gonna throw it down. Like, unless you guys are able to fix it somehow or something, I just throw it out. If this was a contest on how to make fake feta, you guys keep this. Like, look at that. It's like just keep mixing. It's like falling apart. Seriously, like look. It's like literally falling apart. If I were to